Hey, greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me today. Well, sadly, the old Silverado, she's leaked out about every fluid she can. I got a buddy stuck in a field and my four-wheel drive was blocked in with a customer car, and I thought I'll take the Chevy out and get him out while I was giving her hell. Lost all power steering fluid. It went everywhere. Serpentine belt started shredding. There's pieces of it around. It took out vacuum lines when it went. Oil pressure is lost. Oil is spewed everywhere. This was a clean motor. Looks like it's time for the LS swap after all. Now, I did get about 6,000 miles out of this 200,000 mile 350 small block that spent a lot of its time towing. Not disappointed by that, but I'm not interested in fixing it or trying to make it better or bring it back or revive it or anything else that might be able to be done with it. Oswald said it's time to LS swap this. Now, I think I'm going to be the first person to ever LS swap an OBS Chevy on my channel. Now, a lot of people have done that, of course. I'm going to do it too. I love this truck way too much to just let it go. I'm sorry that I got stupid and blew the motor, but I'm not really, because it was so grossly underpowered and tired. I drug this truck out of a field where it'd been sitting for somewhere between 5 and 7 years. Brought it back, love it. Been having lots of fun with it. Haven't gone over a lot with it, but I'm about to as I embark on the LS swap. Now, which LS motor? I don't have one yet. I got my buddy who knows about them. He's looking for one for me. I'm going to do it on the cheap. I'm going to do it with junkyard parts and homemade things as much as possible. So hope you'll follow along. I know this has been done 10 million times. This is going to be 10 million and one, but it's going to be done my way. So just a quick video. Lots more to come on the channel. I'm doing really well after the old brain surgery. I'm ready to get out and go wheeling. We got a trip planned coming right up. Right now, the Tundra is my only vehicle as the shop truck is down, but this will be a multi-part series. I'm going to show you everything that I'm doing from disassembly to reassembly of the LS swap. Now, this could take a week, could take months, will take a while. No way it's getting done in a week. I still haven't even got a motor or anything yet. But anyway, I just wanted to keep you up with what's happening on the channel. Whoop. There's my finger. Wheeling videos coming right up. Nice trip planned. Big empty spot over here for the next big thing. Things are really looking up for the channel here. 2025 is going to be a great year for me. I don't know about everybody else, but I sure hope so. Yeah, I've got big things on the horizon. I'm excited. Hope you're excited. Stay tuned for more on the Silverado LS swap. Probably a 5.3, just because they're easy, but who knows. Anyway, enough rambling. I sure do appreciate you. Like, subscribe, comment if you feel like doing that. Sure helps your favorite shows out. And I hope this is one of your favorite shows. And I love you. Thanks for joining me for some of the best mediocre automotive content on the YouTubes. Have a super great day.